dismiss time. So I'm pretty sure it is 0.18 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I'm gonna read the label just in case. It's a little windy too. This is what's making me more nervous. Check out this thing. Here we go. Warm season grasses. Fluid ounces per 1,000, 0.18 to 0.275. And I'm gonna go with the 0.18 because I just want to be on the safer side. I know I have a lot, but if I have to treat it twice to get it, I'm fine with that because I just don't want to smoke this yard. And I don't think I will, but we'll go from there. I'll feel a little better because, like I said, I am nervous about doing this. It is what it is, but whatever. Whew, that stinks. All right. Already got a little bit of water in there. One. This stuff is like a paste. There's two. Went a little bit over the line. It's probably stuff from the last one. It's left from last time. Okay. All right. Look at that CVS receipt of instructions. I'm gonna come back and read, see if I have to water it in. It's gonna rain today, most likely. It's kind of why I wanted to get this done because I don't know. The yard's overgrown, it needs a cut. So this makes me feel better because I can do this, and then it can brown whatever it needs to brown, and then I can go and cut it so I get the brown right out. Hopefully, kill this nutsedge. We'll smoke it here. They say it takes it's fast acting, 24 visible results in 24 hours. So this time tomorrow, which it is 11:35, we'll see. I sprayed glyphosate in the back, finally got to there today, so it'll be interesting to see what's quicker, glyphosate or dismiss. So here's just a little preview. This annual is just gone, but I'll show you some of the sedge I'm working with right here. Kyllinga, whatever you want to call it. I think it's Kyllinga. But it is all throughout right here. So, and in that front spot. Anyways, so yeah. There we go. Looks great otherwise. Kind of sucks because it's like I don't want to treat it because the yard actually looks good, but I know it's there, and it is a lot of it. I mean, we'll just walk every couple feet, and you can see it. It's really worse on that side. Man, it is windy. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh man, I'm nervous. I've got this bush, as you see, there's no denying what that is. That is full on nutsedge, and it took over this little plant, which it's a pre-annual, whatever you call them. I don't know the names of bushes. I'm not good with flower beds, but I will get to work on that eventually one day. I don't know. But anyways, since I probably got to pull this up, I'm just going to douse it. I've got a little bit of sedge over there. So that's how we're gonna finish up. Empty out the tank. Half an ounce. So I got like 5.5 ounces left. So this stuff will last me a long time. Hopefully, I don't have to keep spraying it. Hopefully we'll just take care of the problem. But it was pretty cool, the Field King, like if you got a different 2-gallon pump sprayer. I don't know if all of them work, but it worked well for that Husqvarna one that I had, that I used to have to hand pump, so that was pretty cool. Good to know that. I can just take this between that and my Field King, so I feel good about that. Anyways, this yard's gonna be brown. I'll try to post a video, maybe to update in a couple days. I don't know, probably 3 or 4 when I mow. That tropical storm Zeta, I can't remember which one's coming through. It's been so many stinking ones this year, but it's supposed to come through and really pour some rain on us. I think until about Thursday or Friday. So that'll give it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is Monday to do its thing. So 4 days from now, it'd definitely be ready for a cut. It's ready for a cut now, but I want to get that brown and then take care of it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what I can do better. Anyways, yeah, if there's something else you want to see me do, spray in my yard, something you saw, let me know. I'm always willing to just try. I'm your DIY guy that just wants to do it myself, and you can learn from my mistakes, like getting your tip turned the right way. So anyways, ATC Lawn Guy, thanks for watching. See ya.